back to my channel, guys. This is Nitika, and today we'll be talking about 3 of my favorite ways to get rid of tan. Now, out of these 3 ways, one is a drugstore product and 2 are DIYs. Choose any one that is most preferred to you and continue doing it for at least 2 weeks, and you'll start seeing a huge difference. These are all tried and tested, so कुछ experiment नहीं है. Choose any one of them and just give it a try. So the first one is the drugstore product, which is Raga D-Tan Tan Removal Cream. This is the exact cream which is used in salons for when you get a D-Tan done. So guys, this is a huge recommendation. Please do not waste 300-400 in a salon for getting a D-Tan done. I think you get it for 1,000 rupees on Amazon, and it goes on for at least a year, even if you use it once in a week. So just apply it directly on your face and do a patch test if you've never used it before. Make sure you don't apply it close to your lips or your eyes. Keep it for 10 minutes and then just wash it off. So my next favorite pack for removing tan is a very simple pack with just 2 ingredients. You can easily find it in your kitchen. One is raw milk and the second one is wild turmeric. Now this is also called Kasturi Haldi, and you can also use the normal turmeric available in your kitchen, but I would still recommend wild turmeric of any brand from any store where you can find it. Why? Because first of all, it doesn't leave that yellow color of the normal haldi or the turmeric, and secondly, it is even more better for the skin. It is meant to be applied on the skin only, and I personally use this whichever pack requires turmeric. Also, it has a lot of anti-inflammatory and healing properties, so people who have acne problems, scars problem, I would recommend to add a pinch of wild turmeric in your pack on a regular basis. It will be of great help for you. So this pack, as I mentioned earlier, is a super easy pack with nothing much to do. You just have to take a pinch of turmeric and mix some amount of milk into it, and that's it. Your pack is ready, guys. This I would recommend this to apply right away in the morning. As soon as you get up and wash your face, just put it on the face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's a very nice pack. You won't even feel that it's there on your skin, and you can even apply it on your hands, on your legs, and you will see a huge difference overall, not only for tanning but otherwise also in your complexion. You would see a huge amount of difference. Let's just move on to the third and the final pack of the day. This is again a DIY, things you can easily find in your kitchen. So iske liye the first thing that you have to take is some curd, around 1 teaspoon of it, depending on how much quantity you want and where all you're applying. I'm just making it for the face. Again, you can apply this pack all over your face and leg and hands. So over the curd, I'm adding half a teaspoon of honey and then some lemon. So you just need to mix it like this and apply it all over your face. Avoid applying it over your or closer to your eyes and lips, because it has lemon, and lemon is a bleaching agent. Curd has very good cooling properties, and it's really good for people who have dry skin. So try this out, guys. With time, it will remove your tan very easily. It will take around 10 to 12 days to show some results. This pack you can apply on a daily basis. I hope you like these 3 remedies, guys. It's a tried and tested thing, and it has worked really well for me. Whenever I get tanned, I use it for 2 weeks, and I see a lot of improvement on my skin. So try it out, and if you like it, do let me know in the comment section. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.